Yeah, buddy, you read that description right. We're making sausage and shrimp stir fry, but a little different. The difference is we're not using regular stir fry noodles. No, we're using chicken flavored ramen noodles. Now, I didn't think it was going to turn out that good. Crazy Kids came up with this recipe. I tweaked it just a little bit, and we tried it out, and we all fell in love with it. I was amazed, totally amazed at how good this turned out. So, I took some pictures, put it on social media, got a lot of great feedback. People want to see the recipe, people loving the pictures, they look delicious and all. So guess what? We're going to show you how to make it today. But before we do, look down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything we do if you're new here. If you're not new here, if you've been here for a while, hey, we really appreciate it. We love, love, love doing this. Love y'all's feedback. We're getting more and more. We're growing pretty quickly and just loving it. We're so humbled by it, how quickly we're growing. We're just amazed by it. Thank y'all so much. Also, while you're down that way, look at the description. We have a Facebook, a Twitter, a Pinterest, an Instagram. We have all that stuff. We have an email, a regular mail. If you want to connect with us, that's a great way to get to us. We try to answer everybody as quickly as possible. If you want to connect with us, catch up with what we're doing, maybe see a few little behind the scenes stuff, there's a good place to do it down there. So check all that out. So get all that done. We're fixing to fire this griddle up. Going to show you what we're cooking, and let's go. All right, we got to get this bad boy fired up. Let's light them up. Now this side I'm going to keep cool like I normally do. Slide stuff over as it starts getting done. It's kind of a warm zone. Not really a cold, but a warm zone. Now let's check. Oh yeah, we got these burners going. We're going to turn these down to about a medium low. And that's about where we're going to cook at. And if we adjust, I'll let you know. All right, y'all check out these groceries. Of course, here's our noodles. This is 4 packs of chicken flavored ramen noodles that we've already cooked and stirred in the seasoning. We're going to get them back on the griddle here in just a little bit, warm them back up. But we have some smoked sausage here that we cut up. Now, the thing to this recipe is use as much or as little as you want. We have about maybe a little less than a pound of some smoked sausage. We have about 2 pounds of the small raw shrimp. That we get this from Walmart. It's nothing spectacular. It's already been deveined and detailed and everything. We got a can of mixed vegetables here that we're going to throw in there. I got some onions that I have chopped up and just kind of cut up kind of big. You cut them up how you want to. That's maybe about a half of a yellow onion. Then I have some broccoli. We got some broccoli here that we're going to put in there. Now, believe it or not, we're not going to do a lot of seasoning. I have some soy sauce we're going to use. We got some sesame seed oil that we're going to use, and I actually have some sesame seeds that we're going to sprinkle on here. And hey, that's it. That's it. All right, 2 things just happened. We got some white smoke coming off the griddle. That means it's ready. And look who showed up. Bryson. You ready to cook, man? Yeah, he's going to help us cook. So I'm going to help him. He's going to help me. We're going to help each other, because that's what we do, ain't it? Yep. Got some spatulas. For what we're going to do first is I'm going to throw down some butter, which I did not list in the ingredients, and I meant to. I'm going to throw down a little bit of butter. Can you move that around for me? Move that around for me. There we go. Let me see it. Keep it over here a little bit. Let's throw the broccoli on there, okay? Let's get it all out. All that good broccoli. All right, you want to stir that broccoli up? Y'all watch these skills. Now be careful now, the griddle's hot, okay? There we go. All right, let me see. All right, what we're going to do with this broccoli is, you know what we're going to do with it? We're going to steam it. So how we're going to do that is this. We're going to take a dome, like so. Watch this. You want to squirt some water under there? All right, squirt water under there. Careful though, ready? Squirt it. There you go, that's good. Now we're going to get our broccoli all softened up and ready to eat. You like some broccoli, don't you? The kid likes broccoli. Let's move that over there, okay? Got that going. Let's get these onions on here. Get the onions going. Now with the onions, all we're trying to do, just kind of soften them up just a little bit. I'll put a little bit of oil bit of soy. All right, you want to stir those up now? All right. All right, have at it, man. Show them your cooking skills. Pretty soon I'll be able to just sit over there and watch him. All right, man. Yeah, buddy. Now the shrimp and the sausage, we're gonna kind of throw them on last because they don't take long at all. And then we'll throw the noodles on here, get everything going. Just trying to soften these up. Wanna check on the broccoli? Yeah, okay. Look, still there. You wanna give them a stir now? Give them a stir. He's got it. He's got it, y'all. All right, there we go. Uh-oh, we got an onion over here in our broccoli. Don't you? Not yet. Not yet. Not ready for you. Guess what I need to do, man? We need more water. You ready? Ready? There you go. Okay. So we got our onions on, we got our broccoli on. We're gonna let that steam a little bit, let these kind of just get all nice and pretty and softened up with that soy in there. Gonna be some good eating here in a minute, ain't it, buddy? Yes, sir. So he knows, he's had this. It's actually one of his favorite meals, believe it or not. Of course, he likes ramen noodles, but when you church up the ramen noodles like we fixing to do, it's good eating them. Yep. Oh, by the way, how y'all like his shirt, y'all? Y'all like that? You can have one too. Check below, Teespring store. I'm just saying. They're there. Now the mixed vegetables also will be kind of like one of the last things we put on here. Let's stir the onions up, man. Oh yeah, they're getting pretty, ain't they? You want to stir a little bit? Okay, he likes to stir. Now we're still cooking on about a medium to medium low-ish. You know, all griddles are different. You've heard me say this before. This griddle cooks hotter than the other griddles. So, you know, just adjust your cooking. You don't want to cook too hot. All right, man. It's fine. Sometimes they get away like that, don't they? Now, once these two things here are done, are getting close to done, the rest of the cook will go real fast. All right, them onions are probably done about like we want them, ain't they? You want to slide them over? All right, slide them over there, okay? We're gonna slide these onions over into that warm zone I was telling you about. Just kind of keep them over, let them just hang out, just kind of be happy. Broccoli's about done. We're gonna slide that over here in a minute, and then we're gonna get the sausage and the shrimp on here. And then from there, it's gonna be a matter of just getting this thing put together and just eating it. All right, that's good, bud. All right, let's pull it up here in the corner, okay? All right, let's check this broccoli. All right, give it a good stir. I'm gonna step out and let the man do his job. Easy, easy. He gonna throw it off the griddle there, bud. I think I'll step back in. Hey, they're learning. I love cooking with these kids. All right, let me see. There we go. Oh yeah. Broccoli's getting a little bit of char on there. Oh yeah, it's good and soft. Let's slide that over too, man. Okay. Get that too. Got good steam coming off of it. Now, we're gonna get a little bit of oil down right here. Throw our shrimp on here. All right, man, stir it up. While he's stirring it up, stir it easy, okay? Put some soy sauce all over the shrimp. All right, let me see. All right. Now the shrimp will not take long at all to cook. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut these burners all down on low. now my burners are on low. Man, that smell is amazing with that soy sauce coming off this shrimp. Let's get you over here cooking. Let's throw our sausage on. A little more oil. Throw the sausage. Throw that sausage on. Sausage. We're going to spread that out. I'm going to spread this out, okay, man? All right. Now, you see how we got our sausage cup? That's just because that's how we like it. You dice it, cut it. You know, you make it yours. And hey, stir fry is really very simple. I mean, it sounds fancy, it looks fancy. Not. It's very simple. As you see on the Blackstone, it just makes it very easy because everything's right here and you can cook it all at one time. Ain't that right, man? Keep this sausage stirred up over here, like so. Spread it back out, let it cook. Now, what I'm gonna do now is actually add a little more soy sauce to all of it. You like this stuff? Just kind of drizzle it on here, into that sausage. Oh yeah. Add a little bit of sesame seed oil. Oh yeah. He's got it, y'all. He's got it. All right. Let me see it. Give you a hand here. These shrimp are about done. Get the sausage almost done here. Now, remember, use as much sausage, as much shrimp, broccoli, no broccoli. Make it yours. Do what you want to with it. Ain't that right, man? This is the way we like our shrimp and sausage stir fry. But let us know how you like yours. I'd love to hear it. So y'all look at this. I mean, look at this spread right here. This is amazing, ain't it? Looks good. You were missing something though. Missing two things. What are we missing? We're missing the mixed vegetables and then the noodles. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the broccoli back here. Pull the onions up just a little bit. And all this shrimp, we're going to slide over. It's all going to get mixed together anyhow in just a minute, ain't it, bud? Yep. And we'll slide all this sausage over. Now this side over here is still on. And that's okay. I kind of want the sausage to stay cooking. Clean our griddle up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not a much. As far as these mixed vegetables go, I'm going to throw down just a little bit of oil. We're going to dump them on here. Get them all in there. And listen to the sizzle. Now stir them up, man. And guess what? Soy sauce. Good job, bud. Good job. Now all we're really doing with this mixed vegetable is kind of just heating it up. Not really looking to cook it. Now a lot of people don't like the mixed vegetables because it's got potatoes and it's got the carrots and the peas and, you know, if you just want just whatever, you use what you want. We like the mixed vegetables. Love the way it looks, and it does give it, we just like the taste of it. It's just a lot better. So what we'll do is we'll just slide this over here like this. Like so. Now remember, we are on low right here. Got a big old thing of noodles here. Noodle brain. Got some soy. Add some sesame seed oil. Let's get it broke up here and stirred up. Now this does have the chicken seasoning in it. All right, let's add some shrimp. Let's add all the shrimp. What you think? We'll add all that shrimp and the onions. Now, I'm going to let you stir here in just a minute, okay? Let's add all that in there. Let's add all these mixed vegetables in. Now this is gonna make a big meal. Don't you think, man? Think it's gonna be a big meal? Oh, I know it is. It's looking good already though, ain't it? Let's add all our broccoli in now. There's a lot of food. You know what the best part about this meal is? It don't cost much. Believe it or not, it don't cost much. You can make this for under 20 bucks and feed a lot of people. The man said add sausage, so we'll add some of this sausage in. Think we need all of it? Okay. The man knows what he's doing. We'll add all the sausage in. Well, I'm gonna go with it's good and warmed up. We're gonna add some sesame seeds. And as far as the seasoning goes, the soy that we've been using, use as much or as little as you want to. Season it to your taste. You ready to eat? That's a lot of, you gonna eat all this? Little man said he gonna eat all this. All right, there it is, y'all. We gotta plate this up and we gotta eat. But before we do, you know what we gotta do. You gotta have the close up. Y'all look at that beautiful mess me and Bryson done made on this Blackstone griddle. Get you around here to the other side of it. All that shrimp and sausage and them vegetables all up in that. Oh yeah. Let's eat. Look at the steam coming off that, y'all. Y'all see that? Man. Well, that's me and Bryson a plate we're gonna try some on. You wanna get you a fork?
Okay, you've seen how easy this was. This really was an easy cook. Of course, it made it a lot easier. I had help. Less than 20 bucks. Amazing meal. Believe it or not, this is with ramen noodles. That's what amazes me. When the kids told me about this, like I said earlier in the video, I never would have believed it would turn out this good. I mean, just look how beautiful it is. I mean, it really is good. And that soy and that sesame really sets it off. You ready to try this out? Let's try it out. Oh man, yeah. Perfect. What you think, man? Oh yeah. Love it. That soy sauce and that sesame is just perfect in it. Well, like I told you, just season it like you want it. As you see, he's still eating it. So there you go, buddy. It's got it. Look, if he's eating all this, it's got to be good. So give it a try. I bet your family will love it too. You think they will? Yep. There we go. I love watching these kids eat all this food. Makes me feel good. Of course. What? Stuffed bell pepper with hot sauce in it. Sounds good to me. Be on the lookout. That video will probably come out pretty soon. But while you're still on this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit that thumbs up, get all that done. Make sure you check out our other playlist. A lot of other great griddle cooking and all kind of things down there. Be sure to check it all out. And with that, I better get some more to eat because he's steadily eating it. So we'll see you next time.